Welcome everybody. Today we're going to work on the BR consonant blended sound. BR. B-er. Brr. 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 So let's jump in and learn about this sound. Bracelet. 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 She wore a beautiful bracelet on her wrist. Branch, branch, branch. The bird built its nest on a branch of the tree. Brat, brat, brat. The little boy was being a brat and refused to share his toys. Brick, brick, brick. They built the house using red brick. Bride, bride, bride. The bride looked stunning in her white dress. Bridge, bridge, bridge. We crossed the old wooden bridge to reach the village. Brook, brook, brook. The brook flowed gently through the meadow. Brunette, brunette, brunette. She is a brunette with long curly hair. Broad, broad, broad. The river is very broad and difficult to cross. Breeze, breeze, breeze. A gentle breeze blew through the open window. And that's all for the BR consonant blend. It is not difficult, and if you practice, you will become very good with its pronunciation and sound. This is Robert from Riddick's English asking you to please like, comment, and share this video. And we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you new lessons. Have a great week and don't forget, study hard.